In a bustling market town tucked between vibrant produce stalls, you'd find a quaint bakery. This isn't just any bakery, mind you. It's a beacon of health and flavor under the skillful hands of its owner, Maya. Her bread, a symphony of ingredients and nutrition, has garnered a reputation that stretches far beyond the town's borders. The first ingredient to grace Maya's bread is none other than chia seeds. These tiny specks, packed with omega-3 fatty acids and protein, infuse her loaves with a health-boosting punch. The chia seeds lend a subtle crunch, a delightful contrast to the soft, yielding crumb of the bread. Then comes kale. Fresh, vibrant, and teeming with vitamins A, C, and K, it's finely chopped and folded into the dough. Each bite of Maya's bread carries the goodness of this leafy green, making it a bread that's as nutritious as it is delicious. Quinoa, an ancient grain, finds a place in Maya's bread next. It lends a nutty flavor and a hearty texture to her loaves. But its contribution isn't just about taste. Quinoa's complete protein profile and array of vitamins and minerals turn her bread into a health enthusiast's delight. Walnuts, with their rich flavor and omega-3 fatty acids, are the next addition. They provide a satisfying crunch, a delightful contrast to the chewiness of the quinoa and kale. But they do more than just please the palate. These nuts are a powerhouse of nutrients that promote heart health and improve cardiovascular function. Maya then adds a burst of color and sweetness with plump blueberries. These tiny berries, packed with antioxidants, infuse each bite with a health-boosting burst of flavor. They offer numerous health benefits, from reducing the risk of heart disease to supporting cognitive function. Tart cherries, abundant in the surrounding orchards, also find their way into Maya's bread. Their tangy sweetness and potent antioxidants add a unique flavor profile while promoting muscle recovery and aiding in weight management. Next, Maya sprinkles in hemp seeds. These tiny seeds, packed with protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals, elevate her bread to new heights of healthfulness. The finale comes with the addition of teff, a grain high in calcium, iron, and magnesium. It adds a subtle nuttiness and delicate texture to her loaves, making them a beloved staple in households throughout the region. As the comforting aroma of freshly baked bread wafts through the air, Maya knows she's crafted something special. Her bread isn't just food, it's a nourishing experience. It's a loaf that feeds the body as much as it delights the senses. And as her customers queue to get their daily loaf, it's clear that Maya's bakery is more than a simple establishment. It's a haven of health and happiness.